So we're on the 75mm now, instead of the 27. Same range as the other one, the core range from Viltrox f1.2. This one is just as brilliant as the other one. Right, it's back. Gotta get the hood on the lens then. Another advantage of these Viltrox Pro lenses, they're weather sealed. So I don't have to worry too much about the rain here, and I love shooting in the rain. I'm actually quite happy the rain is back, because that makes some more interesting shots here. I can do something like this. This red jacket person here. Under this roof cover now, and now that it started raining, everything got wet, and that's perfect because now there's so many subjects and I'm loving it. Let's see what we can make do with this. This is a nice bike. Rain gives me the drama. Here comes the bike. I'm gonna try to do a slow shot on it. Base detection off, single focus on. This lens is amazing. Like f1.2 and this sharpness, that's unheard of. See this guy coming with an umbrella. Perfect subject for some under street light photos here. See if we can make that happen. Might have gone a bit too slow on the shutter here. No, that works. There's this lady over here. She's just standing, waiting for the rain to go out. Yes. Base detection off, single focus on again. This could be a really nice shot, I hope. Turn the exposure compensation a bit down here due to the bright lights so you don't blow them. How about this scooter? Well, f1.2 gang. the isolation. And then we have this unused rail here. Oh, slippery. I'm not supposed to be here, but what I really want is one of these trains to come. I'm like leaning down on this and finding some reflections. I need to find the correct angle and wait for the correct train. But like, you know, I'm not supposed to touch these rails, so don't do this at home. Here we go. Hopefully that's good. I'll keep going. This tunnel here is quite nice. It's a 400-meter long bike and pedestrian tunnel, just like in my first video. But this one is only 400 meters instead of 3,000. So this takes you through the hill. You don't have to go around or over it. It's a good shortcut for the bicyclists and the pedestrians. And the waterfall here is really loud. So much water in it today. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but quite bad. There we go. See how this turns out. You know what? I'm supposed to be here, but I'm going to go over here still. Oh. We got some politics going on here.